It's me, Tyler.
What?
It's not Matt, it's Tyler.
What? Put that on.
Yo.
Matt.
Tuna.
Exactly what is it? What is it like?
What?
Exactly what do you want? Like, just tuna?
No, tuna on Italian herb and cheese.
Alright. What, like, a sandwich with a tuna and Italian and cheese, something like that?
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my
The
god.
bread.
Charlie. Alright, he's gonna. Did you go?
Yeah, I'm in trouble right now.
Alright, go to the line and get ready. Just order. Ready?
Yeah.
Italian herb and cheese. Foot long.
I can have it. Can I have Italian and cheese? Excuse me? Sir. No. Yeah. Can I have Italian and cheese on a foot long?
Oh my
No!
Wait, hang on. What?
Italian herbs and cheese for the bread.
That's the bread.
Can I have Italian bread with cheese?
Italian herb and cheese, you fuck.
A tuna fish sandwich with Italian turbot cheese.
A tuna fish sandwich with Italian and cheese.
Oh my god. Okay. For the bread, Italian herbs and cheese.
What?
Italian herbs and cheese.
Italian herbs and cheese?
Yes.
Italian herbs and cheese. Alright. Alright. He's gonna make it, alright?
Tuna, I want tuna.
What?
I want tuna.
He wants tuna on it too.
And I want Swiss cheese.
He wants Swiss cheese.
No, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and oil and vinegar.
Lettuce, tomatoes,
Pickles and oil and vinegar.
oil and vinegar.
Should we say clit sauce?
Alright?
Should we say clit sauce? And at the end, clit sauce.
What?
Clit sauce.
Quick sauce?
CLIT.
Yeah, I'm not saying that.
Alright.
Quick sauce.
No, it's called quick sauce.
Quick sauce, Charlie.
I'm not saying that.
No.
Not CLIT. Quick, like quickly, hurry. Quick sauce.
It's like a new Subway thing. Yo.
Hey, hang on. There's another guy here. Alright, what exactly do you want again?
I want lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and oil and vinegar.
Oil and vinegar.
Give us the quick sauce.
Charlie.
Lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, oil, and vinegar, right?
Yeah, and on the side, quick, like quickly, hurry up, quick sauce.
And on the side, he wants quick sauce. Quick sauce, something like that. I don't know. Oil and vinegar, right?
Yeah, and quick sauce on the side.
Alright, I got it.
Tell him now.
What?
Quick sauce.
He already knows. He's got it.
Alright, bye.
Alright.
Hurry up.